Hi folks, I'm back. Sorry about that. I had a power outage, so I had to go and get myself some power. But I'm back and alive. Yes, we continuing to see the volcanic eruption going on, and how the cloud cover has spread. It's still good. I'm sorry about that break in transmission, but when you are carrying these devices and you don't have backup, I was on the phone for the whole morning, and therefore my power supply went. But here we are again. We are back live, experiencing the volcanic eruption. It is still ongoing. It has not stopped since I was on the live last. Still going on, still ongoing. The rumblings are happening, and quite significant too. So this is, yes, you're getting some heavier rumblings now, much heavier rumblings now. But every bit of the mountain slope is covered now, totally covered. You can't see any sign at all of the mountain slope. Daniel, tell your mommy I'm on a live, so she wouldn't. I can't answer the phone now. But we're pretty good. We're good. We're safe. We are safe. Having a wonderful experience now. Volcano is erupting. Volcano is erupting in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And you're on the live right here in Rose Hall. Let me see if I can take you over on that side. There's some residents right there. If you notice that they're looking at what is happening. People are pretty much going about their business. Pretty much going about their business. Yeah, right about now it is happening. All happening here. All happening here. All happening here. What is not evident is that we're not seeing any mushroom up as was before, but we are seeing the ash is not going, it's not ascending as it ought to, but they're definitely. Yeah, back with you live here, people. The rumblings have not stopped. And there are definite signs that people are prepared. Yeah, we are. Yeah, we are. And for those persons from Chateaubelair who are viewing this live and who know the area of Chateaubelair, the Roseau Valley, this is what you're seeing here. Roseau Valley is still pretty clear, which means that the town of Chateaubelair is pretty clear and would not be experiencing any ash or anything of that nature at this time. Our brethren in St. Lucia, Sister Charlene, if you're there on the live, you guys would have a little issue on the east side of your country. So here we go. We're experiencing volcanic eruption 2021, sorry. Yeah. This is what is happening. It's happening live and direct. Live and direct. Live and direct. Live and direct. You folks in Kingston may not be able to see what we are seeing on here because Kingston area is pretty much blue sky, but on the northern side of the country, it's pretty dark on the side, over on the volcano side. That's what is happening now. Yeah. There we go. It's happening. All happening here. Live from Rose Hall. Live from Rose Hall in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. The highest inhabited village in the country. We are 1,232 feet above sea level. So nobody gets a better vantage view of what is happening than us in Rose Hall. It's live. The La Soufriere volcano is erupting. There's an explosive eruption. Yeah. Let me see if I can find. Yeah, that's what is happening all around. That's what is happening. If I turn my camera to the Kingston area, if you notice, the Kingston area is pretty nice and blue. But on this side of the country, it's pretty dark. Yeah. The volcano is in explosive eruption mode. Explosive eruption mode. Yeah. So, explosive eruption mode. It's dark. Over the Caribbean Sea on the northwestern side of the country, it's pretty dark. You can see it down there. That's the Caribbean Sea, and that is going to be in the Vieux Fort area, St. Lucia. So people in Vieux Fort are going to be starting seeing some darkness coming their way. Folks on the north windward side would be in the fancy Sandy Bay area, would also be having some dark clouds over them, spreading into the Georgetown area. Right now, it's pretty clear in Chateaubelair, and Rose Hall. We are still having pretty good visibility. The air quality is still very good. Not having any smell of sulfur or anything of that nature. Not experiencing any ashfall. So we are experiencing volcanic eruption. So this is where we are. This is where we are. Has quieted down a bit over the past 5 minutes. It's quieted down a bit. And we are just barely hearing it now. Yeah. But it's happening, it's real. It's real. Yes, it's happening, it's real. The volcano is erupting. If you're wondering what is happening, if you're wondering what this life is all about, I'm just covering the volcanic eruption of 2021 from Rose Hall in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. has been erupting now explosively for about the last half an hour or so, continuously. Has not abated, has gone quiet, a little quieter than usual, not I shouldn't say unusual, a little quieter than before. But yes, we definitely can hear it. If you notice carefully, for those of you who know the area, the Mongaroo Mountain is experiencing some ash cover. Soon it will part of it is becoming obscured. The entire Richmond area is covered. It's covered, so but we are experiencing the volcanic eruption of the La Soufriere volcano in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. That's on the windward side. That would be over the Georgetown area. And straight ahead of me, Fancy and Sandy Bay Ovia is straight ahead of me, so that is what they would be experiencing, some of what I'm seeing. This is what Rose Hall looks like. If you notice, the visibility is still very good. Yeah. So there we have it. I'll get back to you if there are any further developments. So over and out. I'm gone.